Hi everyone, welcome to Bond Bytes, the daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. I am Arjun Patsarthi, and the rupee continues to fall, and this is causing a lot of concerns at the investor level and at every level because a weak rupee hurts inflation, increases the cost of imports, and brings down asset prices. So all this is hurting market sentiments. Just before that, you need to have the best bonds to beat inflation. And the best place for you to get the best bonds to beat inflation is Quick Invest by INR Bonds, our app, which is a curated list of bonds, especially curated for you, whether you're an investor or a financial advisor who's advising clients. And all you need to do is download the app, check the bonds, look at the information, look at our risk score, and take a seamless investment decision along with a seamless in-app investment process. Download the app now.
It was a tough journey going from an intern to a senior professional. Now, to protect my savings against high inflation and grow my wealth, I invest in bonds with INR bonds. Download the INR bonds app to save better.
Coming back to the markets, 10-year Gsec yield was higher. The Sensex and Nifty ended flat. It started open down. The state development loans auction, which is normally held every Tuesday, we saw the cutoff coming in at 7.86% at higher levels. And the 10-year US Treasury yields also rose to 3.2% after having fallen way below, below to 3.10% just a few days back. But the outlook is still very negative for the yields. So the rupee falling is not at is really hurting market sentiments. It's very difficult to see any kind of asset prices, especially Gsec yields falling from here with weak rupee because it affects inflation and cost of imports. And the RBI will have to sell dollars to protect the rupee from depreciating too fast, and that takes out money from the system. The Sensex and Nifty obviously will react to a weak sentiment, weak rupee, because normally when the rupee weakens, there is a lot of capital outflows because the portfolio investors who have invested in India are seeing a depreciation in their investments just because the rupee is weakening. And every other asset class is going to face issues if there is less money, more inflation, and higher interest rates. Thank you for listening in, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've not done so already.